Welcome to Learn English Smartly!
Wow!
I go outside.
I go outside.
I take a walk.
I take a walk.
I visit a friend.
I visit a friend.
I go shopping.
I go shopping.
I buy groceries.
I buy groceries.
I come home.
I come home.
I relax on the couch.
I relax on the couch.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
I use my computer.
I use my computer.
I watch videos.
I watch videos.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I clean the kitchen.
I clean the kitchen.
I feed the cat.
I feed the cat.
All right, everyone. It's time for today's English challenge. Let's see how good your English really is. Can you answer both questions correctly before the timer runs out? Don't rush. Take your time. Think carefully. And remember, comment your answer before the reveal. Ready? Let's begin. All right, everyone.
Wow! Wow!
So, everyone who got the right answers, I have just one thing to say. Excellent! And if your answer was wrong, don't worry at all. It just means you should watch my previous videos and this entire video very carefully. You've got this! So, let's move on to the next part.
I fill my bottle.
I fill my bottle.
I charge my phone.
I charge my phone.
I fold a blanket.
I fold a blanket.
I open a window.
I open a window.
I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
I water the flowers.
I water the flowers.
I clean a mirror.
I clean a mirror.
I prepare a snack.
I prepare a snack.
I check the weather.
I check the weather.
I put away clothes.
I put away clothes.
I turn off the light.
I turn off the light.
I go to bed.
I go to.
I organize my desk.
I organize my desk.
I close a window.
I close a window. Bed.
I close my eyes.
I close my eyes.
I fall asleep.
I fall asleep.
Wow!
Guys, wait. Don't go anywhere just yet. As you know, we do a challenge at the end of every video, and I want to hear from you. If any challenge is in your mind, write it in the comments section. I will consider your idea for the next video. So here is your challenge. Guys. So, how did you find this video? If you have any questions, any confusion at all, drop them in the comments below. I will personally answer every single one in a professional way. That's my promise to you.